Choo-Choo Gordon is a very proud steam engine. He's the fastest engine on the island of Sodor. He was speeding along his line with the wind blowing across his funnel. "You've broken the record again," said his driver. "I'm the fastest," said Gordon. Not all the engines were impressed. "Speed and everything," said Carly. "Yeah," said Emily, "but being reliable and useful is good," said Thomas. "Useful engines will never want to understand," said Gordon. "'Cause he never goes past me," said Gordon. "Or me," said Connor. Said Tom had arrived when this was special for Thomas. "I want you to collect the jet engine and take it to the airfield." "What's a jet engine?" asked Diesel and Percy. "A jet engine goes forward and pushing a hot air out of his back," said Topham Hatt explained. "Just like when you blow a balloon and let it go," said Thomas. "Is very fast." Thomas likes making special deliveries for," says Topham Hatt, "and making him feel special." "Choo-choo," said Donald, but secretly he wished he could go faster as Gordon. Just once. "Choo-choo," said Thomas. Thomas arrived at the docks and excited to see the jet engine. It was shiny and modest, and Thomas had never seen anything like it. He couldn't wait to start his journey, but Clanky was taking his time. "Hurry up," puffed Thomas. "This is a special. Clanky did not like to be told what to do, especially by an engine. He became so cranky that he was careless with his hook. His hook knocked the switch, and the switch started the jet engine. The engines began to whine. They whined up louder and louder and louder. "Uh-oh," said Clanky. Before he could say anything else, the jet engine was knocking Thomas off the track. "Whoa!" said Thomas. The driver tried to put on the brakes, but Thomas couldn't stop. "Whoa, boy!" The station master called ahead. "Through the lines. It's a runaway train." Signals were changed, and points were switched. Thomas has never been so excited. Thomas flew by Carly and walked it past Emily. And raced by Percy. They were all amazed. Birdie was excited when he saw Thomas flying down the track. "Wanna race, Thomas?" peeped Birdie. "Oh, never mind. No one had ever seen an engine come so fast." Gordon had no idea that Thomas was racing along the main line. "I am the fastest," said Gordon proudly. "Hi, Gordon. Bye, Gordon." Gordon could not believe what he had seen. At last, the jet engine ran out of fuel. Thomas was back on his own power. He steamed gently back into the station. "Sorry for overtaking you back there, Gordon," teased Thomas. "Overtake me as you noticed," Gordon huffed. "You noticed the fastest on Sodor," said Carly. "Yes, I am the fastest," said Thomas. "And so am I," said Connor. "I'm really sorry." Wait for Thomas, said Percy. "Gordon, Connor had to go faster," said jet engine. He's a steam engine, but he's still a hot air cylinder. And Gordon and Connor reached away.